Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a thermostat. Before you begin, gather your essential tools such as a wrench set, pliers, and a drain pan. Make sure you have a new thermostat, a fresh gasket, and the correct type of coolant on hand. It's crucial to always work on a completely cool engine to prevent any burns and ensure your safety throughout the process. This preparation saves time and prevents issues. Next, you'll need to drain the cooling system. Locate the radiator drain plug, which is usually at the bottom of the radiator on the driver's side. Place a suitable drain pan underneath to catch the old coolant, then open the plug. Once the coolant is drained, you might need to remove a few components like the air intake tube or a hose to gain clear access to the thermostat housing. Take your time with this step. Now it's time to remove the old thermostat. Using your wrench, carefully unbolt the thermostat housing. Pay close attention to its orientation before removal. Once the housing is off, remove the old thermostat and gasket. It is very important to thoroughly clean the mating surfaces on both the engine and the housing to ensure a proper seal. Then, install your new thermostat and gasket, making sure they are seated perfectly. Finally, reattach all the components you removed and securely close the radiator drain plug. Begin refilling the cooling system with the new coolant, typically around 8 to 10 quarts, depending on your vehicle's capacity. Start the engine, allow it to reach operating temperature, and bleed any trapped air from the system. Keep a close eye on the temperature gauge and carefully check for any leaks around the new thermostat housing. Your vehicle should now be running smoothly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.